That ball just stayed in from Fuller.
As you can tell, Lee Drew enthralled by that explanation.
Down. Left box, please.
Well, Castagnet certainly looking to get a couple of tough rallies into.
Well, this is Lyle Fuller controlling Mathieu Castagnet. Castagnet, that's beautiful, and the crowd are absolutely loving that.
It's a great rally from the wild card.
A really open racket face on this, hold, and then through.
Right box, please.
5 game balls. Well, he plays that in beautifully.
Really gets the racket face open, doesn't he?
Yeah,
on that
he
drop?
cuts it. You can hear the strings singing when he plays that. Very, very intensive with the execution.
That's a nice finish from Castagnet. No let being awarded by the referee.
6 game to Castagnet. Castagnet leads 1 game to love. Game ball.
Well, the physicality of the first game eating into Lyle Fuller. Castagnet revving it up.
Down.
So Lyle Fuller goes off after a very comprehensive second game towards Mathieu Castagnet. French warrior now leads by 2 games to love in this. Heavy movement there from Lyle Fuller.
Right box, please.
Mathieu Castagnet starting to
6-4.
make a bit of a break in the third game.
Match ball.
Well, it's a nice counter drop from Castagnet.
Match to Castagnet. 3 games to love. Castagnet wins.
So Mathieu Castagnet, the winner of this event last year, he's been working hard to get back from injury. 36 minutes to overcome Lyle Fuller, 11-6, 11-1, 11-5, 3 games to love.